Hey guys! Welcome to my channel. I'm Jimbo, and today marks the beginning of an exciting journey. This right here is my very first YouTube devlog, where I'll be sharing every step of my journey to publishing my first PC game on Steam. I began brainstorming some ideas and getting inspired by other games talking about art and features. I've wrote everything on a sheet, and after some time spent thinking of what I would like to do and if it was achievable, I came up with two main goals. A 3D pixel art style like in A Short Hike, and great and fast combat system like in Hades. I started from the art part. I've decided to go with a 3D pixel art style to combine the retro charm of pixel art with modern 3D techniques. First, I implemented the basic 3D pixel art effect and tried it with some basic objects. As you can see, with normal materials the effect was terrible and you could see blurry pixels. First I tried with a toon shader, but the result and the customization I needed was not what I was looking for. So I ended up with a wonderful cell shading shader I found from a great YouTube tutorial that I will link down below. I downloaded a free locally nature pack to test the shader also with some more complex objects. Now it's way better than before. Okay, now let's add a character to the game. I'm not an artist, so for now I downloaded this free locally character pack that I will link down below. Let's begin with the features part. I tried to implement the basic movement of a player, from moving and rotating the character into the scene to the animations. I want my player to be controlled using mouse and keyboard or a gamepad, but for now I'll stick to the old Unity input system and test with mouse and keyboard. Later on I refactored my code to use the new Unity input system that I highly recommend to anyone since it's very easy to set up and super useful. I got some strange behaviors at first, but then I finally got the movement part right. After the basic movement I wanted to implement two other famous movements, the dash and the roll. It's at this point I thought I needed some kind of better structure to control my player, so I decided to implement a finite state machine to better handle the different states. After introducing this new way of controlling the player, it was time to think about the attack system. I created a basic attack system where the player was able to do an attack in the direction he was facing. Almost. Then I added a free locally model of a sword and placed it in the right hand of the player and added a simple trail effect. For now it seems okay. At this point I needed someone to attack, so I downloaded a free locally skeleton model, created an enemy prefab, put a bunch of them on the map and started working on the hit detection system. After some play testing, I realized that for the game I wanted, the combat should be faster and easier, so I took inspiration from Batman combat system where you attack the nearest enemy in the direction you are aiming to. As always I got some weird behaviors. But in the end I finally got a nice result. It was a lot better. The combat experience was improved a lot. I finally added a hit animation to the standing enemies, a hit effect for the sword hit, and this is the final result. Thank you guys for watching my first devlog, hope you liked it. Let me know in the comments what could be the next steps or how could I improve some existing features. See you in the next update.